As long as I live, my life surrender to Him. Even I travel the dusty road, or I carry the heavy load, I know my Redeemer lives. A river of life flow from Him. Your power and grace, I worship and praise. I look up my face, no guilt and shame. Your power and grace, no guilt and shame. Holy Spirit, I feel your touch. Your blood washes the dust. My spirit, mind, and soul. Great love makes me whole. Lord, I lift my hands and praise. Your loving kindness is amazing. Your power and grace, I worship and praise. I look up my face, no guilt and shame. Your power and grace, no guilt and shame. I'm gonna leave this world someday, just like a flower, flourish and fade. And your words still remind me, only Christ